Oh, hello everyone. This is Elenora Withemore at the gorgeous Baron and Fig Salon in beautiful Bridgewater, Mass. And I am tickled to pink to sit there and say that I have been chosen as the ambassador spokesperson for all of the beauty tips that they want to send to everybody on video. So, what we want to talk about are things that you can do at home for yourself and tips that we're going to give you from especially the Baron and Fig Salon that they want everyone to know. The first thing that we want to do is teach people things like how to wash your hair properly. Nobody ever tells you these type of things, but here at Baron and Fig, they want you to be educated no matter where you go for it, because an educated client is fabulous, like me. Let's go now. Linda Frisco, co-owner of Baron and Fig, henceforth the name, is going to demonstrate how to shampoo hair properly. So the first thing we start off with is 1/4 teaspoon of a quality product. Never use the things that are at the commercial stores that you can buy at CVS because you don't even know what they are. Always get something from a professional that's told you what to buy. Linda, would you demonstrate 1/4 teaspoon? This is how much shampoo that you should use. And what you want to do is you put your hands together and when you work that through the hair, it will lather up. And what most people do, they think if it's not lathering enough for them, they just sit there and squirt more and more and more and more and more. No. You add more water into it, not more shampoo. Just a second or two. And then when you do that, as Linda starts working it in, you get that rich, frothy lather that everyone's looking for. And that is how you do it. And after you rinse out the shampoo, you do it with the conditioner the same way. 1/4 teaspoon. Only that you don't have to add water. You coat your hands, you rub it through, you leave it in for a couple minutes and poof, you get hair like mine. Everyone can look beautiful. It's not just for us selected people, it's for everybody.